Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Infinix mobile display setting guys, and today friends we will talk about guys how to set and change screen refresh rate on Infinix mobile. Friends, we want to use Infinix mobile screen refresh rate settings, and how to use screen refresh rate setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. Friends, first of all open your Infinix mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Infinix mobile. Friends, click here Infinix mobile display brightness setting. After on display brightness setting friends, you want to increase brightness, so you can increase and decrease brightness from here. Eye care mode setting, wallpaper, dark mode friends you want to on, so you can on and you can off your dark mode. Screen timeout you can change from here. So friends, click here screen and refresh rate setting. After on screen refresh rate setting friends, you want to use your auto screen refresh rate, so you can on your auto screen refresh rate setting. And friends, you want to use guys your 60 Hz screen refresh rate, so you can use. And friends, you want to use high screen refresh rate friends, you can see 90 Hz. So friends, click here and friends, you can use your Infinix mobile high screen refresh rate on your device. So friends, you can see screen is very smoothly, we can use it. And friends, you don't want to use high screen refresh rate, so friends again click here and friends, you can set 60 Hz. And you want to use guys your auto switch screen refresh rate, automatic screen friends, you can see switch refresh rate according to actual use. So click here and you can use it. And friends, you want to on auto rotate screen, you want to rotate your phone screen, you can rotate. And friends, you can see screen keep bright setting, you can on from here and you can off from here. So like that friends, we can use display setting and we can use screen refresh rate setting. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.